for the second session. Actually, this session we planned for last week, next week, and because of some situations, so we pre-planned it and we could able to do today. And again, once again, thank the coordinators and KSR College of Technology for inviting me uh, to deliver the topic on demo on online drawing tools. Okay. Before getting into the session, I would like to give you a small recall of what I have given the information in my last session, because that day we could not able to find time, and that's why I was a little bit faster and I could not able to clarify so many doubts of your side. So I think before getting into today's presentation, let me brush up some few things that we have seen on the last session, right? So last session we have seen some tools that are really helpful for writing and for collaboration and for carrying out some lending experiments, outsourcing experiments. We will call it as outsourcing of experiments. That is also possible, and you can connect with other researchers. And today I will share the PPT definitely, because my PPT is that day only half of the part is completed, so that's why I could not able to share the PPT with you. Today I will share the PPT with the coordinators. Definitely by today you can get the PPT. Okay. So in that case, you will be available to see all the websites or links, whatever I have shown on that day. In between, I have given some tips, right? So I hope those tips are will be helpful for your research. Even though you are a beginner or you are an intermediate or you are a finisher, whatever may be the stage, you can get some information from that, right? Today the session was entirely about uh, drawing tools. So there may be a question, right? Why the topic is so drawing, especially drawing tools. Ultimately, each and every research project should end up with some uh, graphical representation or pictorial representation, right? If we have for CSC people, if they have thousands of data or whatever maybe they, whether they use IoT, whatever maybe, they have to represent their data, or they have to show their result in the form of two things. One is tables and another one is graphs or pictures, whatever maybe you call. Okay, but in all the cases, the tables may not fit. Okay, for example, for my case, I prefer more pictures rather than tables. Somebody else prefer table rather than pictures. So it depends on the research area and the author, of course. So you should, in most of the cases, there may be a combination of tables and pictures that you can use for representing your data or to showcase your data to the journal, right? So in that case, table is not a big issue. You can go to Word or some other else, tools, and you can go for table. And table, there is no big thing involved. You have to just create rows and tables. Uh, Somebody's audio is on. Gayatri ma'am, no, Gayatri, not Gayatri ma'am. Somebody's audio is on. And Gayatri ma'am, you have to off your video, ma'am. So table is not a big issue. It's only adding and deletion of rows and columns. Whereas the picture plays big role in the sense that some people will prefer flowchart, some people will have methodology, some people will have drawing, some people will have so many type of scanning electron micrograph, SEM analysis, different types. No, it is a vast area. Engineering research is the vast area, and we will have different types of uh, tools. Okay, so in that case, the drawing tool plays a significant role, and so you have to know more about drawing tools, and it is the need of the hour, I could say. So once you explore to more number of drawing tools, you can present your data in an aesthetic manner. Okay, because every journal, if you look into the guidelines, they will tell you your resolution of the picture should be this much, and uh, your this thing should be this much, your size should be this much, clarity should be this much. Everything they used to keep on the guidelines, right? So you have to stick to those guidelines, otherwise the journal will reject your paper. So what I'm going to convey is your graph or your picture should be clear. Clear in the sense you should use some good quality tools so that you can have some good quality of pictures. Simply taking some photograph with a mobile phone or something will not work, right? It may work for some other users, but for a journal paper, it may not be 100% suitable. So in that case, you have to search for some drawing tools. That is why the today's topic has been coined on drawing tools. Okay. So I told about the reason for choosing this topic. So now let me go inside the tools. Um, I have a couple of tools with me to show the demo for today's session, but still I could not show the demo of all the tools because of the time availability. And I will take you few tools to the entire website, and I will show you step by step how to proceed, how the flowchart will be, what are all the options available, how could you use it better for your research and all. And a few things I could only share: what is the tool name and how the website looks, and what is the pros and cons of that specific tool. So in that case, uh, if you want to use some tools in your research work, kindly go to the website and surf through the website. You can learn yourself. That's what I'm going to tell every session. You can learn yourself. Just I'm conveying the information. I am the conveyor. Okay. You can go once the session is over. You can go to that website. It's self-learning only. You can learn yourself, and there is another question again. What about the cost? Okay, whether you have to pay for these tools or not. Of course, you have to pay for the tools in many cases, and few cases, one or two cases, the tools are freely available. And in the case of paid tools, the charge is not so much high. It is only 300 per month or 500 per month, like that only. So you can get from the institution. That's why I'm telling. You can get a letter for that to the institution, and you can request them to purchase the software, so that every faculty member available, or every PG student or UG student, whoever may be, the people who are there in the institution, they can use the tool with the one subscription, or you can check out the users, how many users the software is allowing. Based on that, you can go for the software purchasing. Otherwise, if you don't have that option, you can go with some free tools. Okay, I will show you that free tools also. So the first drawing tool in my case is, can you see the symbol here, eDraw? Okay, so eDraw is the tool that can be used for drawing purpose. So I will just take you to that website and I will show you uh, what is the eDraw. Just can anyone confirm me whether uh, this eDraw website is visible to everyone? I want to just confirm. Or my PPT is there.
Yes,
Ma'am,
it is
Yes, ma'am.
visible. Yes.
you can see the website, no? Can you see the website page, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, yes, it is.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Website page, no, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
No,
ma'am.
Only
ma'am.
slide
Only
show,
a
ma'am.
slide, ma'am.
It
I
is,
see
ma'am,
only a
Ma'am,
slide,
only
ma'am.
slide, ma'am. Not website.
only one. Okay, okay. Only you can see my slide, not a website. Right?
Only slide.
Okay.
Yes,
Only
ma'am.
slide.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Uh,
Ma'am, you can and again open that website, ma'am.
yeah. That's what I'm doing. Okay. But okay. Just 1 second, ma'am. I was trying that option. Trying that option. 1 second. Ma'am, who is their coordinator?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Tell me, ma'am.
Ma'am, just a small change in plan. Immediately, I will give you one Google Meet to you because there I feel very comfortable because here the screen is not getting shared. I want to show you the demo by going each and every time. I want to access the website and I want to show them, ma'am. The only 1 second, only within 5 minutes we all can join there. Is it possible or not, ma'am?
Okay,
I will
ma'am.
give
We are
you- I
waiting,
will
ma'am.
I will give you just Google Meet. Whether because I am not accessible in chat box, where should I send the Google link?
Ma'am, you are asking to join in Google Meet, ma'am.
I will give you the ID, ma'am, right now. I have the ID with me. I will give you that. Can all join there because there it's very easy, ma'am. And this type of problem will not come. I can show my entire screen and because today's session is only demo, ma'am. We want to show them a website. Each and every website I have to go again. I have to come back to PPT again. I have to take them website. In that case, no, this Meet Teams is I'm not comfortable, ma'am. So can we go to the Google Meet? No need of any installation, just whatever link I'm giving, just click on that. It will, if you are using in mobile phone, only 2 seconds it will install and it can directly come back now. Can we go there? Can we do that, ma'am?
Ma'am, how far participants can?
You can, that's what, ma'am, I will share with you. You have to put it in the chat box. Chat box is disabled now. Can you enable the chat box otherwise?
Sure, ma'am.
Can you enable, ma'am, chat box?
Please wait, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Just enable the chat box. Ma'am, can you see now my website?
Yes.
Can you see now? No?
Yes.
Okay. Then we will go
Ma'am,
with
yes,
it,
ma'am.
ma'am.
We can see the website.
Okay. Then we'll go with it.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, because ma'am that option is taking long time compared to Meet. Meet is very easy, ma'am. So this is the website.
We can
okay?
continue. We can continue, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. We can continue with this. So can you see here? You have to enter the website called edraw.com. Okay. So once you enter the website edraw.com, your page will be like this. And somebody's audio in mute. Kindly unmute that. Yeah. Somebody's audio is in mute. Okay. Now it's okay. Can you see here the products available and diagrams? If I click on the diagram, what you can able to see, you can see the flow chart, mind map, organization chart, chart and graph, cards, presentation, everything. Okay, electrical diagram, wireframe, fashion technology, floor plan, software means UML diagram, other means business diagram. So all the types of diagrams are possible. And if you want to download it, you can download here. The option is available download. So once you go to download, almost all the softwares are giving 30 days trial or 365 days trial, depends on the software. So if this is a trial version, you can try it for free, and once you are satisfied, you can try to purchase the software by recommending to your institution. So if I am clicking the flow chart, so right now I'm clicking the flow chart. Can you see the flow charts available? There are different types of flow charts, and you can make it colorful, you can make it different shapes, and you can add some flowcharts, smart flowchart symbols, of course, and you can add some abundant flowchart, different. So flowchart is not single. We cannot describe the flowchart in a single line. Okay, there are many types of flowcharts: event flow, workflow diagram, SDL diagram, highlight flowchart, everything. So can you see the option here? There are two options. One is download option, another one is buy now options. And some more softwares, what they will do, they will provide you basic features with the download software option. So if you are really want to use that, you can use that, but you cannot access all the features. Just remember, you cannot access all the features. Once you purchase only, you can use it, use all the options available in the software. That is also the another case. So you have to choose which one you want to go with that. Okay, that then workflow diagram, everything. So suppose I am clicking basic workflow chart. So this is the part coming, and you have a separate download option for Windows and Mac version and Linux version. So both the things you can, based on your operating system, you can download any version. Okay. So after this class, just go to this and download yourself. But your diagram looks like this. You have all the options, editing options like Word. You can do some text work, anything. Okay. This is with the eDraw. Okay. Now I am going to PPT. Okay. If there is any PPT is not visible, just inform me. Now I am sharing my PPT. Is my PPT is visible or still in website page? Anyone?
Still in website page only, ma'am.
Okay, that is the drawback, ma'am. Teams, that is the drawback. Every time,
Ma'am,
no,
but
whenever, yes, ma'am.
now,
I am.
you're trying, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm trying. Now, I think you can see my PPT.
Fine, ma'am. PPT.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just any one person, ma'am. I will switch over to PPT website. Just I will inform also if that is not happening. So just tell me, ma'am, so that I can correct myself. Then another thing is
Sure, ma'am.
linkscape.org. Okay. So Linkscape is professional quality vector graphics. You can do some illustrations. You can add icons. You can add diagrams. You can delete diagrams. Anything. And you can do maps and you can do web graphics, everything you can do. So basically Linkscape is using W3C as a open standard, and it is using basically scale SVG format, scalable vector graphics format. So I am giving the information, you people have to try and you have to go and you have to explore yourself, you have to learn, that's all. Because within this 1 hour I could be able to show you only 2 or 3 tools, remaining all the tools I am giving the website page. Okay. So Linkscape is the another such tool that you can use it for the drawing purpose. Another one is GIMP, GIMP. GIMP is the another GNU image manipulation tool that is available for Linux and Windows and other operating system also. It is free software and you can change the source code, because that software will have certain amount of certain codes, right? Then only the picture or the graph, whatever may be, they could be able to draw. You can even change the source code as per your requirement. Okay, that is possible, but for that you have to be very familiar with the code. Okay, you should be familiar with the code, then only you can able to change the code and distribute your changes. So whatever changes if you want in your diagram, you can carry out that using this GIMP software, GIMP, or simply we can call it as GNB. Okay. Next is TickZ, TIKZ. TickZ is the another diagram tool where you can again draw the diagram, and it is basically based on latex. That day someone is asking about latex, right? It is basically on latex. So I want to take you there, TickZ. So let me share once again my screen. So I will go to TickZ. Yeah. Now I am in website page. I'm in website page now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So, just go to Google, type TickZ, TIKZ, TickZ. You will get a window like this. Okay. So what you will get the package and you will get the contents. So that day someone is asking what is the usage of latex, right? So latex is the one that is preferably asked by each and every journal, especially SCI based journals. Even if you go for Elsewhere, Springer, whatever may be, leading journals, they will ask you two options. One is latex, another one is Word. Latex is something you can play like anything, and within a few seconds you can add so many information. Within few seconds you can delete the information. But whereas in Word, if you change single line, the entire page setup will go. Your diagram will move. Your table will go here and there. Then you have to run behind them, right? I think all of you had this experience, and definitely I have this experience, because once I make the picture short, every content will go out of alignment. So every time I have to spend a lot of time for aligning themselves, then making into the proper within the border. Everything I have to do. But latex is not like that. It was no very good, and you can it will have professional look. That is the final conclusion. The latex is the one where you can have the very neat and professional type of presentation of your paper. So that's why people are going with the latex. So this is TickZ is one of the latex based tool. So can you see here left side, you can see all the contents. Create a document in Overleaf, uploading a project. That's what you can click one by one, you can learn by yourself. Documentation home, learn latex in 30 minutes, even within 30 minutes you can learn the software, and sharing your work with others and using track changes, everything, latex basics, everything is possible here. And also you can insert image tables, but this entire website is uh, revolving around only pure latex. So you have to know something latex, then only you can use it, this drawing tool. Okay, I will just take you only one image I will show you. So now I have clicked the option inserting images. Okay, so there is a possibility of inserting images in latex. For that you should have this uh, comments in your latex, that is document class. This is a separate no separate topic, and no I hope you people might have gone through this in this 21 days course. Otherwise no, the if people just know, coordinators can arrange for this for by calling some other resource person who is good in latex. So you can have document class like this the comments will go. So can you see here there is a one option where they are inserting the image, that is graphics path images. So once you do this, whatever image you have in your desktop or in your folder, that will be inserted in your journal paper. Okay, so unless otherwise if you change document, this image will not move here and there. It will be there permanent in your document. In Word, what happens if I change the font size, the entire pages will go up. Yeah, 7th page will come as 9th page, 9th page will go to 11th page. So your things will be messed up, right? All your things will be get messed up. So in order to avoid such messing and time consuming process, latex is no very very recommended tool. So this is where I am showing you how to insert the images in a latex document. Everything is given. Changing the image size and rotating you can rotate the picture, you can change the image. Can you see some lion's face? So they can be able to change. For those you need to give the input commands as like this, right? So this is the picture, then you can anything you can do. You can position the picture. Can you see the bar chart here? So you can change the position at what distance and what is the width of the figure. Everything you can define. Whereas in the Word it is not possible. That is the advantage of using latex. Then you can make it at the top of the page, you can make at the bottom, everything is possible with the this TickZ tool. So once you type TickZ, it will take you this page overleaf, then see the left content, go one by one, click on one by one and learn yourself. Okay, so now I am going to PPT. So my PPT is here. Okay, so now I am in PPT. So once TickZ is over, yeah, every my presentation, no, I will ensure that I should have some good interaction with the audience, and I should give some break to the audience by asking some maybe whatever maybe some questions, right? So this is today's question. Just anyone has got the answer for this puzzle or whatever maybe you can take. I need an answer for the last one question mark. I need an answer. If anyone has got the answer, kindly unmute yourself and can one by one, not all.
26, ma'am.
26, 27. Yes, just give me 2 second time. I want to calculate because I forgot. Because people
27.
Okay. So any other guess? Last is 27. Is the answer?
Yes. 27.
127. 27.
Okay. I have only guessed. I will not.
101.
Yeah, 27 is wrong. 101 is right. There are
Sorry,
people.
I didn't see the multiplication. Sorry. Yes, yeah. 22 into 5. It is 110.
And one more thing also, the number of petals also into account, ma'am.
Oh,
In the
okay,
second
okay.
row, there are, that's what we people know. We will rush up and we will try to
Yeah,
observe the things.
82, ma'am.
Yeah, no, 82
yeah.
is not correct. We try to observe the things. In second row and third row, the blue flower is having.
82.5.
No, ma'am, no decimals, ma'am. It's only simple question.
Hello.
No decimal. So it is 1, 2, 3, 6, 5.
101, madam.
Ma'am, answer is 101.
27.
81, ma'am. 81.
101.
84.
81.
84.
81, ma'am.
81.
No, it's 101.
101, ma'am. 84, ma'am.
Actually, this yellow flower is 1. 81 is the answer. 81.
Yeah, 81.
So, okay, no more discussion on this. 81 is the final answer. We will discuss later. Okay. I am running out of time, so we'll go to. But I appreciate the participation of all the audience. Okay. So, and next tool is 81 is the final answer. Then next tool is draw.io. Okay, draw.io is the website. That is one of the famous online drawing tools from open source technology, where you can have diagram applications and illustrations and flowcharts diagram, as I said previously, right? And you can share the whatever you create the diagram flowchart. You can share with the Google Drive and OneDrive and Dropbox. So these are all some of the sharing options you are available with the draw.io. So now I'm going to the website. So now I am in website page. So you have to type draw.io. I have done. Click on the first one, that is draw.io diagramsnet. So click on that. Just it's coming. Just create new diagram. I want to create some flow charts. Just click on the flow chart and give the create. Can you see the bottom create option? Just create. Use root folder. Yes, I want to use root folder. Otherwise, you can change any folder as per your. So here is my diagram. Okay, can you see the black color window where I have the flow chart? That is template one. Okay, the template is already there. I can make any corrections, deletion in the template. So click on the first one, and I want to make it as start. I want to give it as start. So right now I am only editing the tool. Can you feel that? And I'm clicking the second one. I want to give literature survey. So I am giving literature survey. And third one, I am giving something I want to give. Whatever you want, you can edit. Just you have to double click on that. Okay. So otherwise you can select. Anything is possible. So if you double click on that, you will get then methodology, sample. Okay, whatever you wish and whatever you want for your journal paper, you can do. And these boxes are not fit for me, so I want to go for some other boxes, means or some other shapes, means you can add those shapes. Can you see at the left hand side you have different types of shapes: rectangle, square, cylinder, circle, arrow mark, semicircle, anything. If I want to add some box here, just I will show you. So keep this arrow mark. How you will do in the Word and PPT, no? You can drag, you can short, and I want to keep some other circle here. So I want to keep that circle here. So I'm dragging. I can make the size bigger, smaller, as per your wish. Okay. So this is the free software. I have not purchased this software. So people who want to go with the free option can do this. Okay. So whatever text inside this, you can make it bold. Can you see the right side options? You can make it bold, italic, underline, and superscript, subscript. Font color you can change. Background color you can change. I want to change the background color as the pink one. Something else. Go for background color and apply this color. Line height you can change. Can you see the text has been changed into pink color? And here you can do, you can go for page view, everything, connection arrows, scroll bar, and shapes are available here. And you can have layers. Okay, layers is some option, very good option. You can have your diagram as layer by layer. That is also possible. Because of time constraint, I cannot show you much. And so this is the website. Okay, you can try it out after this. No, once this session is over, I will share the PPT so you people can try it out. So now I want to switch over to my PPT for the next one. So I am going here. So now I am switching over to my PPT. So here is my PPT. Okay, so draw.io, I have shown you how to do and how to go further. Then now it's your time. No, after the session you have to practice yourself. The next one is Microsoft Visio. Microsoft Visio is the another tool that you can use for floor plans, diagrams, engineering designs, and everything is possible. So, but for that you should have Microsoft account. Like how we use Gmail and Yahoo and all. No, you should have Microsoft account. In our college, we are having Microsoft account, so I could able to access this website. Otherwise, you cannot access the website unless otherwise you have Microsoft account. And of course, this pandemic period, the Microsoft is helping a lot, and you have very different apps for taking classes for students. And in our college, we are exploring to so many platforms to handle classes for students. In Microsoft, you have similar to Google Drive, you have OneDrive in Microsoft where you can store all your files, and you have Classroom where you can create, similar to Google Classroom, you can create some classroom for your own subject, and you can give assignment to the students, and you can conduct quiz, and you can have so many things like how you do in your classroom. Same thing can be done by using Microsoft apps. So that is some other area that is not our today's topic. So let me go to today's topic. So Microsoft Visio is the tool. So now I am going to website. I am going to share the website page. Okay. So go to Google and type Microsoft Visio. Then you will get two types of. First one is Microsoft Visio Alternative, smartdraw.com. So that will also come. So I want to show you that also. Another thing is here, Microsoft Visio plans. Okay. So let me go one by one. So I'm going to. I'm clicking on smartdraw.com. That is also one of the tools available. Smartdraw.com. Again, it is downloadable. You can download here for Windows, and you can use it for. You can integrate with PowerPoint, Excel, Word, everything. Everything is possible. Importing and exporting options is available with the SmartDraw. And these are some of the highlights. And can you see here? These are also some of the diagrams that is available already. Flowcharts, templates, then office floor plan, then enterprise network, task diagram, data flow, then everything is available. So I want to go with enterprise network diagram. So click on that. Just a minute, it is loading. Can you see here the entire enterprise diagram is now in my screen. Okay, so I want to go for some form. I am showing only the demo part. It is, I do not know what is your area and what is your field. So according to your field, you people have to choose which type of diagram is best suited for you. So suppose I want to go with this. This is entirely network, so that's why there are many computer type of diagrams are coming. So I want to click this because that is more relevant for my work. If you feel that, you just click on that. Otherwise, no, there are many options. Can you see here? There are decision trees, cause and effect tree. So otherwise, let me go for decision tree, which is very common for all the people. So this is a decision tree template, right? So I want to go for, I like this template which is more relevant to my work. So I'm clicking this. Just a minute, it is loading. It is entirely free. That's what, if you want to buy means you can have access to more type of options, more number of options. Can you see here? There is a decision tree type of diagram I got. So I want to correct this. I want to edit this means as usual you have to double click. Double click means I want to write some something like composite materials. So it is written. I want to edit here. Again, I want to edit here also with and because I am a civil engineering person, so I'm getting only these terms in my concrete. So steel and concrete, and next thing is whatever you want, you can change the color. Can you see here? At the top, you are having different options, and you can change the shape. You can change the direction and styles, different styles and themes are there. And you can design. You can insert image. If you want to insert some image from your desktop or from the website, you can do. You can add a hyperlink. If you want to add some note, you can add that. Picture, I will show you how to insert picture. So it is asking for a file. So I have a couple of pictures in my desktop. So let me add something. Yeah, I want to add this image. Okay, I'm giving okay. Can you see here? My picture has been added here. So this is the picture I have added. Can you see? So you can add the pictures, you can add the hyperlinks, and even you can have the tables. Table, it will ask you for number of rows and number of columns. If I am giving number of table and number of column, it will be added as a table. Then can you see here? I can add the table. I can add rows, delete rows as you do in your Word and PPT and Excel, whatever may be. So that is no. You can insert rows, you can delete rows, and this is the page where you can set your margins, you can set your layers, orientation, background. So I'm clicking on background. I want to change the background as yellow color. It's very interactive, right? You can have your good presentation. You can make your journal paper as a with a good aesthetic appearance, because that is very much required. Not only the content, of course, contents are very important, but rather than that, how you present your content to some third party or some journal, or in front of the panel, exam panel, or in front of any audience, or in front of your classroom, that is more important. So background, you can add some background colors. Everything is similar to like how you do in Word. Okay, so let me go to the PPT for the next tool. Now I am sharing my PPT. 1 second. So now I am in PPT. And this is what I have shown right now, Smart Draw. So that is okay. Then there is another website called Gliffy.com, Gliffy, Gliffy.com. So again, it is a software where you can do same thing, I do not want to repeat the same dialogue. Here also everything is possible. Only thing is you have to find out which is required for you and which one you want. Okay, if you are going for a hotel, right? If you are going to a hotel, you have to know what you want to eat. Whether you want to order for puri or you want to order for dosa, everything is available in hotel, because it is a hotel, right? You have meals, you have I am from Tamil Nadu, so I will get only this type of menus. Okay, don't take it mean wrong. If you are going, if you want chapati, everything is available in hotel. Okay. Similarly, online tools are available in website. You have to pick up whether you are from Tamil Nadu means you will go for dosa. If you are from Andhra means I do not know what is the famous. You have to go according to your according to your desire. You have to choose which type of food you want to order or which type of food you want to eat. Similarly, there are plenty of tools. You might have a question which tool I have to use or which tool I should not use. It is up to you. You have to decide. Some people, suppose if you are from CSC or IT, you people are having more type of flow chart and all. Suppose I am from civil department, I prefer some flooring plans. I prefer. If he or she is from mechanical, he prefers some diagrams with machines and nuts and bolts and something like that, lathe and something. It depends on you. You are the people. You have to choose which tool is better suits for you, and accordingly you have to order in a hotel. It's like similar type. So you have to choose which tool is better. But all these tools are available with so many options and so many pros and cons. Whether some pricing option is there, something is free, something is pricing. You have to choose. It's up to you. Okay. The next option is Gliffy.com. So that is also one tool. And again, you have to go and type. You can type it Gliffy.com. So I do not want to waste the time again going back and show you Gliffy.com. It is just type it Gliffy.com, go inside, and you can find out and you can explore. And I think we are nearing to lunchtime, so I want to make you active. Can you find out some hidden words here in this picture? Again, one by one. If you all of you tell at a time, I cannot guess. If if you have, there are 6 hidden words. I hope, because I don't know.
No, ma'am.
Exactly.
No, or
Novel. Novel.
Don't tell one by one.
Novel.
I want all the 6. The person who finds out all the 6, they have to speak. The person who finds out all the 6, they have to come up with that. They have to unmute and they have to talk. Not one by one. Otherwise, it will take time. The people who found all the 6 words, they have rights to unmute themselves and they can talk.
Hello, madam. It's no book or word, page, and read.
There is something called SPRO, ma'am. SPRO, SPRO. Yes, sorry, words. You told words?
Yes, words. Yes. Words, page, read, or no book.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. You are from which place, ma'am?
Borderline University, madam.
It's a story, ma'am. Story.
Which state, ma'am, it is?
Assam.
Oh, very good. You are attending from Assam.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your answer is right, ma'am, but I could not come and give you any chocolate for that, ma'am. Sorry for that. And I will invite you to, it's Tamil Nadu, the place called Salem. It is nice place.
Yes,
you just
Thank
take
you,
it my number whenever you visit Salem, ma'am. And I want to come to Assam and I will contact.
Yes, of course, madam.
Okay?
We will call you.
That is a deal. That is a deal for today's right answer.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Sir, over, sir. I want to go to next slide. No, sir. This is no need to spend so much of time in this because this is just only breaking session. Is breaking session. I will go to next slide, sir. And because that is not problem for me. You people are no lunchtime. So next website is Cacoo.com. 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 It is a cloud-based drawing application. Again, you can create, you can edit, and you can do any type of drawings. Again, go to Google and type it Cacoo.com. You will get all the information. Can you see at the down? This is the window where you will get for Cacoo.com. Okay, so you can go for Cacoo.com and you can find out yourself and you can explore. And these are all you have another question, right? These are all the tools only I'm showing for flow chart and whatever may be. But people will have a certain amount of data, right? You have something in x-axis, you have something in your y-axis, something in your z-axis or whatever may be. You have some data that you have to draw only as per the data. Right? How you draw your diagrams in Microsoft Excel. You will draw pie chart, you will draw bar chart, different types of charts are available. We have 3D surface plot, we have contour plot, so many types of plots are available, right? In engineering or whatever maybe the field you go for, different types of plots are available. You cannot simply go for the plot, you should have some data, right? You will have some data, and as per the data, you have to choose the data, then you have to go for drawing. In that case, what I have to do? There may be a question, right, in your mind. So because whatever tool I have shown so far, that is only free drawing tools. You can draw freely, you can add, you can delete. But the case is no, that is not true for all the people, not for all the researchers. You should have some data, then as per the data, you have to go for drawing. Only you have to choose the data, which data is coming on x-axis, which data is coming on y-axis, which data is coming on z-axis. So like that options no, you have to explore. In that case, this Origin Pro is the good software, and of course I will recommend this software because during my PhD in IIT I have used this software. It is very user friendly and you can get into the software. I think this software that time it was freely available before 5 years back, but right now they are charging, I think. But charging is very less. You can because we are doing research and we are spending so much of time and money for behind the research. So it is no harm if you are spending some 300 to 500 rupees in a month for getting this software. You can use it free. Otherwise, no, you can collaborate with your friend. 3 or 4 people can jointly put some amount and you can buy the software, and all the 3 or 4 can use it. In that case, that is not the option available. If you cannot buy alone, that also possible. So Origin Pro is a good software that you can use it for your set of data. From the data, you can draw the graphs. Okay, but I think I can show because it is a very good software. So I want to show you. Now I am going to. Okay, so go to Google and type it Origin Pro. Origin graphs. So you will get originlab.com, that is the website. If you click on the website, you will get like this. Can you see here the very interactive type of diagram? That is possible. That's what I do. You will have different types of diagrams like this, 3D graphs and peak analysis, curve fitting, baseline correction, peak identification. Sometimes this type of circuit diagrams also possible. Everything is possible with the Origin Pro. Okay. If we want to have some graphing, click on that. But this, I think, this is paid one. We have to go for paid version of this software. So this type of diagrams. Can you see? This type of plots are possible with the Origin Pro. Or this type of diagrams. Scatter plot. People will call it a scatter plot, right? And this type of diagram. 3D color map diagram. Possible with Origin Pro. Can you see the right side of the session of the window? You can see line, symbol graph, column, bar graph, pie chart. Everything is available. If you want to go with the pie chart, click on the pie chart option. It will take you to that page. Pie chart option is available. Can you see here? Pie chart.
Ma'am, your audio is muted, ma'am.
Okay, coming back. I'm coming back.
Yes, ma'am.
So this 3D pie chart is available, and can you see this type of pie chart also available? Everything kindly explore one by one. Okay, whatever chart fit for you, just explore that. This is also possible. All these options are available only in Origin Lab. Okay, so if you have this type of diagrams, you can go for. Can you see here? A 3D temporary surface with projection. Yes, it is also everything you can do with the help of Origin Pro software. Temporary contour plot. Okay. So just I have shown you the website. It is time for you. You have to go and you have to explore yourself. There are image graphs because some people belongs to medical, right? Biomedical or those people will require this type of images, right? They have to show where the scale is and they have to zoom it and they have to show the journal. What is the conclusion their paper want to give you? Everything can be shown like this. Okay. Okay, so there are n number of options available. You have to, can you see this type of contour plot is available, and this type of parametric function plot is available where you have 6 axes. Can you see 6 axes you have? You can control your data in 6 axes. Okay, so that is possible, but you have to explore. Within 1 hour, I cannot tell you all the options because time limitation. This is 2D parametric function plot. Okay. This is also possible. Everything. Now let me go to my PPT. I want to show you the next option. Okay. Okay. So after Origin Pro, there is one more tool called Latex Draw. Latex Draw is again a graphical tool based on the latex. Though I have given you already what is latex. It is a writing tool commonly used by all the researchers across the world.
PPT is not visible.
It is not visible. Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Now.
Okay. Now, ma'am. Now it is okay.
Yes, visible.
Okay. So latex draw is again a graphical tool based on latex. Suppose when the latex will come into picture means once you are writing your paper in a latex, then go for latex draw because both are belongs to same group of same group. So if you are writing your journal in a latex, then go for latex draw. Again, this type of, can you see here in my screen, this type of charts, this type of graphs, everything, flowcharts, everything is available. Then, as I said, it is a big ocean or sea where you will have the internet is such type of thing where you have lot of websites to know, to learn, to explore and whatnot. And other websites are here: contentmine.com, deepdive.com, paperpile.com, data elixir.com, edugeeksclub.com, ist.com. So all these are only website. Because of time consumption, I am giving you only the names. Then after this, immediately after this session, I will send the PPT Maithili ma'am or Maithili ma'am. She will share the PPT with you. Okay. So you just practice, and if you have any doubt, or if you want a clarification, anything, you just let me know. I will be there for you to help you and to guide you. And finally, I want to conclude my today's session by saying that everything is practice. It's not don't attend the webinars for the sake of certificate, right? We are in a faculty position. We are not still student level. We are faculty. People, what they are doing just for the name sake or just for the certificate sake, they are attending. I am not blaming everyone. I am telling the scenario of people. So don't do that. If you want to really use these tools in your research work, then don't miss this session and practice. Otherwise, just listening the session and waiting for some certificate and producing the certificate in your department or in your college or in your university will not help you anymore in the future. So you have to practice all these tools, not all the tools, at least one tool. You can take one tool, you can practice. You have to implement in your journal paper. Then only you can attain the full fruit of this today's session. Otherwise, you are also wasting 1 hour time. I am wasting my 1 hour time. Finally, there is no output. So don't do that because I am only associate professor level only. The people, there are few people in audience group. They are senior than me. They are elder than me. No, just it is the humble request from my side. So don't attend the webinars for namesake. Practice, because if you practice, you are the one who are going to get the benefit, right? So it's not coordinator, it's not me or something else. You are the one who is going to get the benefit of that. So practice makes a man perfect. Everyone knows. So practice is obviously ultimate thing for everything what we do in this today's academic world. If you don't practice, you don't deserve to win. Okay. If you want to win, win in the sense, if you want your paper to be approved or rejected, that is in your hand. That's what I used to tell. Don't blame anyone because your paper get rejected or accepted. You are the only responsible. So try this all the software tools, and that day I failed to give my mail ID because that day I have half of the presentation. So this is my mail ID, drgulshaniet@gmail.com. Actually, I belongs to civil. So if any guy from civil is in this audience group, no, we are working on green building in Sona College of Technology. We are working on green building. We are working on remote sensing, and right now we are working on drone also. And next week we are conducting some online teaching tools. Okay, there are different tools there. You can give assignment, you can give online quiz, you can have interaction with your student in a nice way, in a funny way. You can have some interaction. So that also we are working. So if you are planning some sessions in your college, so I am ready to give some sessions on that also. We are working on that. And this is my mail ID. So kindly note down this mail ID. This is my WhatsApp number. I could not take the call, but still you can WhatsApp me. I can be able to answer your queries and whatever may be future interaction. Anything is, just note down this information. And thank you for giving the opportunity for second day. Maithili ma'am and all other coordinators and KSR College, and thank all the participants who are patiently listening this session and answering for all my quizzes and puzzles and whatever may be. Thank you for that, and hope we have. I hope any one of you will definitely use these tools and get benefit from this tool and get benefit from my session. And thank you, ma'am. Thank you all the coordinators. We will move on to question and answer session for next 5 minutes. Time is 1:10. We have another 5 minutes. We can have any question and answer session one by one. You can unmute yourself and you can ask any question and answer belongs to today's content. Right? Thank you. So session is open for question and answer.
Hello. Good
Ma'am.
afternoon,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
my name
ma'am.
is
One by
Rita
one.
Madan. My
Yes,
name
ma'am.
is Rita Madan and I belong to
Hello.
mathematics department. Can you
Yes,
suggest
ma'am.
which will be the best tool? And secondly, then should we type the entire paper and thesis in latex only, not in words?
No. Thesis paper means you will have 10 to 15 pages, right? You have very minimum number of pages. That time I will
Yes.
suggest to go for latex. But in case of thesis, you have 500 pages, of course, and 700 pages. Depends on your thesis. I do not know. But my thesis is, take for example, 750 pages is my thesis. So in that case, no, latex is, I do not know exactly, but it can go with Word or here also. No, last session, first session of my content, I have given some websites how to connect with others, how to write thesis websites. There you can go, ma'am. You can explore that. You find out some websites are there exclusively for thesis writing. Exclusively for thesis writing. That page you can make use of. But latex is purely applicable only for journal writing. Okay. But if you really good